Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel Data Analysis Essentials. In this channel, we will try to learn the essentials of data analysis, which would be helpful for you to transition into a role of data analyst. Now, this could be from a reporting role or something else. As long as you are able to learn these tools, able to go through an interview and crack it, you should be good. And I will help you learn these tools and also try to help you with the interviews so you can make the transition smoothly. Now, coming to the list of tools, I am not going to list hundreds of tools. I list only the few that I feel are more than enough to help you transition and make a good career in the field of data analysis. First up all is Excel, as expected, I guess, because MS Excel is something that is used in the field of reporting or data analysis everywhere to maintain your data into files, uh, do some data processing, generate reports, etc. etc. So, knowing Excel in and out is definitely going to be very helpful. The next one is SQL. SQL is a must for data analysts nowadays. Simply, every data analyst is expected to know SQL because it's a blended role and you cannot expect someone else to share data with you. However, SQL is a very easy language to learn, which we will cover in the next few videos. Next up is Tableau. Um, for data visualization, the top two tools are Tableau and Power BI. I am recommending Tableau mainly because its capability to handle larger data sets. That doesn't mean Power BI cannot, but since I know Tableau better, I recommend that, but it's up to you. However, both of them have one thing in common, that they have quite a good user interface with simple drag and drop functionality to create insightful dashboards, which are quite visually appealing as well. Next up is programming. I recommend Python because it's easy to learn. You can do a lot like data processing, data automation, a little bit of visualization, and whatnot. And also, like, since it's very easy to learn, it's a good to go tool for people who want to make their career transition even from non-technical backgrounds. Next up is VBA. I recommend VBA for automation, and it's something that's essential in our careers on a day-to-day basis. And it is being used across Microsoft Office applications and can be used to save a lot of manual hours. And I have done a lot of automation in my career, which has helped us save a lot of time on trivial manual jobs and save a lot of time on quality check as well. Finally, I say MS Access. It's again optional. However, it's a good to know tool for some basic stuff like storing large data sets, doing some basic processing where Excel might not be able to handle those level of calculations. It's going to be like your personal database on your desktop. You just dump the data, do some basic processing, send it back to Excel, and generate your reports and all. It has been quite handy for me as well. So after this, I'll start creating videos for learning each of these tools one at a time, and I'll be happy to take questions, additional case studies, and any other questions that you have, help you prepare for interviews, open hours, etc. etc. So, looking forward to work with you, have fun while learning. Thank you.